Your typical group chat is a constant stream of homework reminders, inside jokes, and weekend plans piling up by the minute. But eventually, that routine chatter may be interrupted. A message might appear that crosses the line from casual humor into something alarming. When that happens, you need a reliable method to handle it. We are going to walk through the exact steps to document a threatening message and hand it over to an adult without making the situation worse. Knowing how to manage these specific messages provides a clear path to help resolve a potentially dangerous situation. Start by looking past the sender's tone. Instead, scan the message for specific structural markers that indicate a high-priority threat. Look closely at this message. Explicit references to specific dates, times, or locations are primary indicators of danger. Also watch for mentions of weapons, physical harm, or promises of revenge. Finally, check if the sender is demanding everyone keep the communication secret. Do not stall because you think it might be a joke. You do not need to guess what the sender is thinking. If these specific markers are present, the protocol dictates mandatory action, regardless of the sender's actual intent. Once you identify a threat, stop typing. Take your hands off the keyboard. Do not reply, argue, or challenge the sender. Even sending a laughing emoji or a question mark contaminates the digital environment. It gives the sender an audience and often provokes them. You might feel the urge to forward the message to friends to see what they think. This often moves a localized threat into the realm of an uncontrolled, school-wide rumor. This deliberate inaction is a strategic choice. It freezes the digital scene and ensures you do not become a participant in the escalation. To secure the proof, use your device's native screenshot function. This records the data exactly as it appeared. Open your photo gallery to verify the capture. You must confirm that specific metadata is visible, starting with the sender's name and avatar. Next, ensure the entire message and the surrounding context are clearly legible. Finally, check the top edge of the capture. The system clock and status bar prove exactly when the screenshot was taken. Do not edit the image. Cropping the image to show only the text makes the evidence less reliable for the school. An unedited full-screen capture provides the documentation required for a school administrator to take action. Now move to find a trusted authority figure. This could be a teacher, a guidance counselor, or a school administrator. You do not need to be accusatory. Simply state, "I saw a message that makes me worried about safety," and show them the saved screenshot. There is a critical exception to this routine. You must identify if the message implies that physical violence is about to happen. In cases of immediate danger, do not wait to find a specific counselor. Locate the closest adult immediately or contact emergency services. Handing off this data shifts the responsibility from your shoulders to the institution, removing the immediate pressure from you. You have now completed the task. You recognized a threat, stepped away from the interface, secured the raw data, and finished the handoff. These 3 pillars ensure a safe resolution. Pause, preserve, report. Reporting a genuine threat is not the same as gossip. Gossip creates panic. Reporting creates a solution. Following this sequence ensures you avoid the conflict and provides the school with the information needed to keep the entire community safe.